Hey guys, Gary from Not Working Tomorrow here. Today I'm going to be fitting a Provent 200 from Xpedition Concepts into our 200 series Landcruiser. We'll show you how it goes. So the kit comes with pretty detailed instructions, diagrams, pictures. Follow this and should get it right. I'll give you a bit of a rundown on this one. Take the lid off. Just see on the inside of the lid here, it's got a relief valve there. So if fuel does get blocked, it's going to pop out there to leave and not do any damage to your engine. And then under here you've got this element filter, which is replaceable. On the bottom you get the drain, inlet and outlet pipes. It's a good bit of gear. Alright, so we're going to take the intercooler cover off so we can get to those top hoses. Alright, so we're going to start by taking out this front cover. It's got these clips here, up and down, pull them up. Just like that, it's out. So you can see now we've got heaps of access into where we're going to mount the Provent. Alright, so now we've got the radiator shroud off. Just undo these 1, 2, 3 bolts here. Alright, so now we've cut this bit of plastic out from in under your radiator shroud in there for our hoses to run through up into the engine. So now it's time to fit our hoses to our Provent. So the long one with a 90 goes onto the bottom, and long straight one onto the top. Let's get them in. Alright, so the hose with a 90 is going to go back on this side onto your intake. It's going to give you fresh air instead of oil filled air back into your intake. And then this other one, your straight pipe, is going to come out of your engine to Provent. Slide him on there. You just want to make sure there's no kinks in your hoses, they're not rubbing on anything too hard. And we'll put a few cable ties on them and make it all nice and secure. As you can see down there, it's tucked away quite nicely. Once we put this shroud back on, you won't even know it's there. Hose is running up into your engine. Alright, so we've just ran that drain hose up underneath, from underneath the car here. You can see the tap there. I've just sort of left it hanging out so you can see it. But I'll just tuck that up under the bash plate, cable tied up in place so it's secure. And then we can cut the cable tie off and drain it at service intervals. Alright, so now it's just a case of putting the radiator support back in. So hopefully you found that video helpful. We'll put a link below for where you can get it from, and we'll do some follow-up videos once we sort of do 10-20,000 Ks on it and show you how much oil we're actually getting out of it. Cheers.